Every person who has ever tried to grow a website eventually hits a wall where they realize they need better data to move forward. You start out guessing which words to use. You hope people find your content. Then you realize there is an entire world of software designed to peek behind the curtain of the internet. This is where you run into a massive divide between the tools available to you. On one side, you have a sleek and affordable helper that feels like a friendly neighbor showing you the basics. On the other side, you have a massive command center that looks like something a high-level strategist would use to track global movements. These two options are not really competing for the same person. The simpler tool, known as Ubersuggest, is perfect if you are just dipping your toes into the water. It is clean and easy to navigate. You type in a keyword and it gives you some suggestions. It shows you some basic stats about who is winning in the search results. It even runs a quick check on your site to see if everything is working correctly. The biggest draw is the price tag. It is significantly more affordable. It often comes with a one-time payment option that feels like a steal compared to anything else on the market. For a solo blogger or a small local shop, this is often all you will ever need to succeed. But there is a point where the light starts to dim. You might want to know exactly which ads your biggest rival is running. You might want to see every single website that has ever linked to them so you can try to get those links too. This is where the budget tool starts to feel a bit thin. This is when you step up to the professional powerhouse called Semrush. This platform is built for people who live and breathe search engine data. It is more expensive and it requires a monthly commitment that might make a beginner flinch. However, the level of detail is staggering. You could dig into the technical architecture of your site to find hidden errors that are slowing you down. You can track your rankings in specific cities or on specific devices. You can see the estimated traffic for almost any site on the web. It feels like having a secret advantage. If you are managing multiple clients or trying to build a massive media empire, the cost is just part of doing business. You are paying for accuracy and depth. It is the difference between a basic map and a live satellite feed. If you are still learning the ropes, do not feel pressured to buy the most expensive thing on day one. Start small, learn how keywords work, see how your site performs. Once you feel like you are outgrowing your tools, that is when you make the jump. You will know it is time when you start asking questions that your current software cannot answer. Search engine optimization is a long game, and you need the right gear for the specific mountain you are climbing today. If budget is no object, the professional tool is the clear winner for its sheer depth and variety of features. But for those watching their wallet, the lighter option is a fantastic entry point that won't break the bank. Either way, stop guessing and start looking at what the data tells you. It is the only way to truly win in the digital space.